Hi everybody and welcome back. We're going to have another lure or a unboxing. This was from Charlie Carter, and let's see what he sent us. And we're going to get some stuff and send back to him. This is our very first lure trade. So we'll gather a bunch of stuff up and send back to Charlie. So let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. Ooh. He even sent me a tackle box. Soft plastics, folks.
Oh my gosh.
How awesome is that? Make sure there's not no beer hid down in there. Oh, that's so awesome, Charlie. Man, I don't have that much soft plastics. Charlie's one of my mentors. He's going to help me, him and Rob, when I get started deeper into it. Looky here. That's going to be a bass machine up on my lake. Oh, Charlie, these look so awesome.
That one, it reminds me, remember when Cody got those baits that time, those worms? And he was so proud of them, and he came in the house, just running in the house to show them to me, wiggling that worm in his hand. He was like 5. And I started screaming because I thought he brought bugs in the house. Then he started chasing me around with them.
That's a tough sucker right there, boy. Oh, watermelon. Look at here.
Oh, that one's cool.
That's awesome. Let's stick that behind the chatterbait. That's going to be deadly.
Is that one piece or does it come apart?
Yeah, that's one piece. Get your fingers off my legs.
Keep it up, I'm going to fry you up.
Awesome.
That is cool.
Charlie, I absolutely love these, buddy.
That blue fleck in there, wow.
Look at those.
I'll see if you guys can.
Man,
You really can't
man.
see it.
Ooh. Ooh. I got some black trailers.
That's pretty.
Oh man, Charlie, this is so awesome. I'll get yours in the mail here this next week back to you. I think you're going to be utterly surprised what's coming your way. So, yeah, maybe I'll just unpack the box and put these in my box, and we'll just use the box and go back and forth. Maybe not. So, I absolutely love them. I don't know how to thank you enough. You're an awesome person. I can see by your work here that even tells me more.
Super talented.
Super talented. Super, super, super. So all you guys that are jealous out there, I'm sorry.
You're not.
I got me some more soft plastics. I don't have very many soft plastics, but now I'm getting me a collection of them started up. Yeah, look at these. 3 different colors.
Wow.
That's so freaking awesome. That's better than cable TV, Charlie. I promise you. I can't wait to fish these. I'm probably going to sneak off to the lake here in 3 weeks, and they're going to be put to use. So, if anybody is close to Lubbock, there's a show, the 3rd, a vendor show. Melissa can give you the details if y'all want to stop by and see us out there. We'll be at that show. We did really, really well at that show last year.
Yeah, it's in downtown Lubbock on the old town Lubbock.
Yep.
On the main street.
Yep. She can link the address.
Just send me an email and I'll send you the information because I don't even have the paperwork back yet. It's just a show that we did before, and they said they really enjoyed having us and they wanted to personally invite us back. So I thought that was really great.
We killed that show.
Yeah,
We absolutely did.
They were beautiful people. They were all,
yeah,
you know, very friendly, and they were curious about what we did. And
man. You know who's going to be really jealous? Who's a soft bait man in my family?
your brother.
Yep, he can't have none. I'm gonna go wiki, and then I'm gonna lock the box.
You're so mean.
Keep your cockeyed hands off of it, boy. I don't know, Charlie. I don't know how to thank you. It's absolutely beautiful, buddy. I appreciate it so much, and I'll get yours gathered up, and we'll get them in the mail Monday and headed back your way. So I'm gonna send you quite a few baits. I want you to try out for me, and
Let us know how they do.
yeah, let us know how they do. I've got some new patterns out and coming that people are kind of going crazy over. So you folks, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Y'all have such a blessed day and a great week, and we'll catch you later. Well, folks, I did my first bait exchange with Mr. Charlie, and I got some really good soft plastics from him. He even sent me that little tackle box that they're in. So I have selected 8 baits that I'm going to send him back. So we got our smoked out perch. We've got a jerk bait in a color shift pattern. Color shift black and color shift blue. We have a patchwork perch with our sepia in a S crank. We've got a 1.5 square bill patchwork perch with our sepia.
Love that one.
Yeah, that was pretty. I have a topwater spitting frog, and he's in green, purple, and black. And I have a patchwork perch in our yellow color. And then I have just a bluegill. And then I'm sending him a 1.5 square bill in our Georgia craw and an ugly dog sticker. So Mr. Charlie be looking for these in the mail later in the week. I think they're going out first thing in the morning. So I hope you're happy with them, and let me know what you think of them. So everybody needs to have a really blessed week, and we'll catch you later.